So lagay natin ang card dito. So yan. Kayo. Grabe yung Ferrari ito. Solid oh. Dan traffic oh, tao, diba? Panis tayo 120, siya 140. Sa service road lang yan. Tapos walang traffic oh. Oh, panis tayo. Ito guys, parang Pilipinas din. Both side mga farm, mountain, mga lahat oh. Parang Pilipinas oh. Pero maganda talaga na yung kalsada. Some of the places they put a 130 kilometers per hour speed. Some of the places no speed limit, so you can really open the throttle. Italjet headquarters. Ayun oh, solid. Ganda. We'll park somewhere. As you can see, this is a different country, but same motorcycle Ducati Multistrada. So actually today is just going to ride almost 250 km from Milan to Bologna. Nice talaga dito sa Italy, very disciplined. So nakita ko rin ng meron ng mga hindi na discipline din. They just cut your lanes and all. Pag maraming traffic light, may speed limit dito. Sobrang higpit talaga ng yung speed limit dito. So hindi ka pwede na mga waswas dito. Chill ride lang. Yes, my ride is almost 500 plus kilometer, riding from Milan to Bologna. Then tomorrow we will have a ride almost maybe 700 kilometer. So we are going to the places, some places. So different areas. Then we will be joining World Ducati Week in Misano. It's going to be a fun ride. I am riding solo, though mga other Ducati boys are having another some trips, some places. So I thought, so I will just go around, do my stuff and show it to you what this Italy looks like. Yan na, pasok na tayo sa expressway guys. Yun ang expressway dito sa expressway dito, ganyan ang expressway. So I have to ride this one 189 kilometers in the expressway. Pero may speed limit din tayo dito. Nakita nyo, mga 50 lang speed. Pero hataw-hataw pa rin mga katulad sa mga Pinoy. Oh, yun ang expressway dito. Parang parang yung feel ko parang NLEX lang. Same na same oh. Same na same NLEX. Baka nahuli tayo eh. So 130 yung speed dito, 130. Yun ang maximum speed pwede ka dito. Hindi ka tulad ng Pilipinas 100. Dito pwede 130. Yun ang nakita ko sa map. So pwede ka na kunting mga waswas, hindi waswas, speed up hanggang 130 ka pwede dito, because everyone is going fast eh. Baka yung mga stay sa likod, nga tayo. May toll gate yan dito. Dito yung so pwede ka na pwede ka yung gawa mo na yung card, tapos you can pay by your credit card. You just tap lang yung card para payment na, wala masyadong pila. So tingnan natin ano meron tayo dito. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. dito yung ano, toll gate. So hindi tayo pwede doon sa yellow, dito na lang tayo para kuha natin ang card. So that is Telepass. So dito kuha tayo ng card. Ayan, kunin mo nila yung card dito. Oh, mabilis oh. Oh, pindot lang, bilis. Diretso lang. Oh, ito, kunin natin na yung card. Ready na yung card. Kunin mo na lang yung card. Ayan oh. Ito yung card guys dito. Oh, ayan. From Milano. So you just put your card in your bulsa. Then when you exit, you just pay. That's all. Yan. So now, wherever they exit, you just pay there. Ayan o, Bologna. Let's go. Okay yung kalsada, maganda. Same like a Pilipinas, as you can see. The other side 3 lane, 4 lane pala. Other side 4 lane, dito 4 lane. Same na feel mo talaga na parang Pilipinas. Mga farm, mga flyovers, that same na same. Only one thing lang na na-notice ko, 130 yung speed limit dito. Pwede ka na mga maybe 150. Pwede dito. So, yan. Gasap na tayo guys. So this is our motorcycle for today. Not today, for Italy. This is my motorcycle Multistrada V4S. Kulay white tayo. Lahat ng mga rider natin puro kulay white. So ngayon, gasap dito. Hindi mo na kailangan ng bayaran una. So pag hindi kayo marunong na yung Italiano dito, attention, after refueling, before you must pay. Then you must move a car, camper or motorcycle. Thank you. So what you have to do, there is only 3 options here. Diesel, diesel plus, and super. Super means gasoline. So dito si Kuya from Filipino rin yan. Kuya, pangalan mo Kuya? Pangalan mo?
Romeo.
So si Kuya, trabaho dito. 26 years kayo dito, no? Ayan, from Batangas din si Kuya. Marami na mga Pilipino dito guys. So gasap natin. Ayan. So we will do super. So ganyan lang. Ikaw lagay mo na lang. Yan ang gasap natin, 13 liters, 13.24 liters. That is a 26.40 euros. So it will be like a 600 1,200. So almost 1,400 pesos. So 13 liters, 1,400 pesos. Yon. So self-service lang ito. Yan. So hanap ako ng restaurant, breakfast din tayo bago tayo napunta sa Bologna. Grabe yung Ferrari ito. Solid oh. Ito guys, parang Pilipinas din. Both side mga farm, mountain, mga lahat oh. Parang Pilipinas oh. Pero maganda talaga na yung kalsada. Some of the places they put a 130 kilometers per hour speed. Some of the places no speed limit. So you can really open the throttle. And the cars are going 140, 160, 180. Some of the sports car is going from 200 to 220. Grabe, tulin. Marami na mga high-end cars dito. Puro sports car, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Tesla. As you can see, all the cars here is sobrang high-end. Tapos mga Uber dito, puro Mercedes-Benz, Audi, mga ganyan ng sobrang malupit na mga kotse dito. Pero yun lang napansin ko dito, pag Uber ka, patay ka talaga, grabe, sobrang mahal. Mga 5 kilometer lang, abot ka ng mga maybe 2,000, 2,500 pesos. Yun ang Uber dito. Pero yung lifestyle ng iba dito eh. So you cannot compare the the wages what we are getting in the Philippines. Here is actually totally different story because they earn much and they spend much. So iba yung expense level dito. So for example, if you going for one breakfast, I just got some some croissant and one juice, in one package. It cost me around 400 pesos. So it's okay, normal, because when you go to even in Starbucks, when you're having a coffee and one croissant, it will cost you maybe 550 pesos. Here you get one more juice like a 400 pesos. Some of the things are cheap, some of the things are very expensive. Pero pagpansin nyo na yung kalsada, tapos yung mga lugar, parang Pilipinas talaga, walang bago. Pero mas maganda talaga na yung Pilipinas. More beauty in the Philippines. Here more high-end yung lifestyle dito. So dito tayo sa expressway. Takbo natin 140, 150, 180, 200. Pero wala nang cameras dito. Some of the place lang meron. So tayo dito mga 1.5 kilometer, we need to exit, and I will show you how we pay the toll fee here in the Italy. We will keep it on this lane. Ano tayo bayad yan ito? Borgo Panigale. Yun na, mga truck din dito, tulin, grabe, tulin ng mga truck dito. Mga 120, 130, 90 ng takbo nila sa expressways. Pero natakbo sila 120, 130. Grabe yung takbo nila. Pero yung maganda dito, syempre ganun ang mga takbo nila. Maganda yung yung condition ng truck. Hindi yung bulok na mga yung gulong, mga ganyan, hindi. So maganda dito, kita nyo, mga farm dito. Marami ng agriculture din dito sa Italy. Yan ang ganda tayo kanina, yung Ferrari na yan. Sana all. konting traffic din dito pag when it's reached to, you know, malapit sa toll gate, mga ganyan. So same as Pilipinas din, traffic din, pero moving pa. Normal lang yung lahat ng mga countries na mga traffic. Pero nakita nyo yung isang video ko, I think you saw in my video, that you know, it's parang like a C5 when we are coming from the airport. We are on the taxi and we can feel like you are in the C5 because there is a truck lane and traffic na traffic, hindi na move yung mga kotse. So meron lahat ng mga countries, meron ng traffic, hindi lang sa Pilipinas yung mga traffic. So yan, ganyan lang, moving traffic lang. So ito, speed, wala nang speed limit dito. Pag may speed limit na, automatic pass, nakita mo talaga sa Google Map na gamit ko dito. So lahat ng lagay ko, nag-configure ako ng ano, yung map ko, para pwede ako gamitin na kahit saan ako napunta. Kaya it will alert me yung speed limit, so I can follow. So yun ang service road guys, kabila, nakita nyo, yan ang service road. Dito, express highway, dating service road. Pero yung service road, kita nyo, oh, walang traffic, oh, tao, diba, panis tayo, 120, siya 140, sa service road lang yan. Tapos walang traffic, oh, panis tayo. Maganda yung system. So you know, every country will improve because all the people follow the laws and you know, support the government. You know, ganun talaga ganun talaga ng mga improve ng mga countries, laws and the system. So wherever we are, we have to just follow the law. So if you love your country, follow every laws and you know, so the system will work. You know, ganyan talaga, normal lang mga Porsche, ganyan, normal lang sa kanila dito. Tayo lang mga hampas lupa. You know, we are in the toll gate, so we are using, probably the card will work, let's see. So you just have to tap yata ng card dito, paglagay ng ano, card mo, tapos tap yata ng card. Tingnan natin paano mga gawa yan dito. So yun lang, same din tayo, may barrier pa. Tapos oh yan, card, lagay nyo yung card. Yan lang, hindi tagal-tagal lang. Stop natin ang motor. So lagay natin so lagay natin ang card dito. Oh, yan.
Introdurre il biglietto.
Ito ba? Ayaw. Ito ba? Oh, yan.
Introdurre il denaro o avvicinare la carta al lettore o introdurre. Prego attendere. Validazione carta in corso. Carta validata con successo. Premere per ricevuta.
Ay, nako. So, pera talaga dito. 17 euro. Oh, open na. So 17 euro pala dito. They will just get your, tap na lang yung card mo, tapos yan, lagay mo na yung ticket, tap mo na lang card mo, okay na. Pero yun lang, hindi sila na ano sa likod, hindi sila na mga busina, alam nila talaga Tagal talaga ito eh. Maganda pero konting tagal lang. Pero when it come to the traffic, it will take time talaga. So you spend maybe 1 minute or depend on your card or money. So you can put the money, it will give back the change also. So it's like little bit of time. Pero yung tingnan ko kapag compare ko sa sa Pilipinas, mas faster yung Pilipinas, because here you really have to put your card, then wait for it, then you have to tap your credit card or debit card, then then it will open. So in the Philippines, kahit na marami na mga palpak yung scanner, mabilis, because when you have RFID, you just go there and it's scan and it's open. You don't have to put anything. So maganda, mas faster yung Pilipinas. Guys, the Italjet headquarters, solid. Grabe ito. So we will go inside. Italjet, ganda. We'll park somewhere. Let's see. So most of you wondering what is the time here now in Italy. If this time is in the Philippines, is pitch black, is 6:30 p.m. Here you look like a 2 p.m. So when it's in Italy, when you see 9 p.m, still araw na araw pa. Sobrang araw na, ganun na talaga ng araw sa 9 p.m, mga 8 p.m. Dito ngayon, you can see in my clock that is 6:15 p.m. It feels like you are riding on a 2 p.m. afternoon. Crazy. It's a 2 p.m, 6:15 p.m. Gabi na, pero araw pa. Grabe iba. So mga 6 o'clock, mga 7, 8 o'clock, hindi na kailangan ng mga ilaw, araw pa rin. So let's go.